In Curio, it's easy to find content that meets your teaching needs. To start, make sure you're logged in. You can then take advantage of a wide range of useful features. Under the Browse tab, you can find content by grade level or category. You can also find out what's recommended for you based on your profile. Or get inspired by our theme-based selections and staff picks under the Discover tab. To search for specific content, you can use keywords, titles, or subjects in the main navigation bar. Too many results? Use the Filter menu to narrow your search. To stay up to date on cool content and themes for the classroom, subscribe to the Curio newsletter by replying to our invitation email or completing the form available at the bottom of our website page. Need help or more information? Check out the Help Center. You'll find answers to frequently asked questions.